Kamiranda, this needs to happen. Yung number 2, stage number 2 and stage number 3, ito po ay kailangang mangyari by hook or by crook. Yan po ay kailangan mangyari before July, no? At isama na natin yung stage number 4 because kapag naayos na ng full Senate vote, you need to remember, meron ding another committee which is the Senate Agriculture version. Gumawa rin sila. Hindi ko nga naiintindihan kung bakit may Agriculture Committee tackling blockchain. Sa Pilipinas yan, siguro, ewan ko na lang talaga. Agriculture. But I mean, it is what it is. What's more interesting is the reconciliation with the House vote. No? Tapos na po yung House version na botohan na, but they need to reconcile. Parang sa Pilipinas, there is a bicameral conference meeting. Kailangan nilang i-reconcilia, so to speak, yung version ng Senado with the corresponding lower house version. Lahat ng pong ito sa tansya po natin ay dapat matapos ng Hulyo 2026, no? At dahil dito kung identical na or hindi, not necessarily identical but combined, reconciled na, doon na po ipapasa sa Pangulo, which is Trump, on Q3 2026. At bakit ito importante? Importante ito dahil ang Congress, ang kanilang recess, okay, ang kanilang recess around August 2026. Babalik sila sa kanilang state and district work na mangampanya because ito pong panahon na to ay importante. Botohan na tayo next year, midterm elections na. Kala nyo ba napakabilis? May mga primaries na nga nangyayari. So, lahat po, no? If Congress would not pass this bill, this can go back to square one on the next Congress. Okay? So, dapat lahat ng ito, malapit na yan, no? Technically, 2 weeks from now, June na. No? Lahat pong ito dapat maayos na by July. Therefore, it's gonna be for signature ni Trump ng August. Bakit? Sabi ko dito, summer recess deadline. Ang gusto ng mga lawmakers, no? Dapat tapos na before they leave Washington.